Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be tying this gele, so please watch till the end. So guys, the ratio for this gele is a 50-50 ratio, and I'm going to start by making my pleats. Even though in this style it's not necessary you make the pleats, it's your choice, but I'm still going to make my pleats. So now that I'm through making the pleats, it's going to hold one side of the gele for me, and I arrange the other side. So now guys, I'm going to cross it at the back. Then I will hold this part of the gele. So guys, I'm going to start twisting this side. I'm going to hold this side for me. Okay. And I'm going to twist this other side too. Now that I'm through with that, I'm going to collect the two twisted parts, and this one is going to go this way. Guys, this other side, this second side, goes under this one, like this. I like twist this part to the end and pin it at the back. So guys, I'm not going to pin it to the back. I'm going to be pinning that twice so that it stays well. So guys, now I'm going to start making the rose parts. When you are making a rose, you always start from a tip. From the tip, I'm not going to start. I'm going to be making like normal pleats, starting from the tip, and I'm going to be making it till the end. So once I've made it to the end, I'm going to start rolling it. Once I'm finished rolling it, I'm going to pin it. Now, I'm going to pin it under here so that I will hold it in place. So guys, I'm just arranging the rows. And for me, when I'm through with the rows, I always take one of my earrings, this small one, and I just put it there. And so guys, I'm just pulling it backwards. Since I usually cover the ear, I'm just going to be bringing out the earring too. I'm going to be wearing an earring for her. your comments, your questions, and your contributions. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video.